Who is Suzuki there? And who is Hadriel? Wow, you guys, you are doing a good job. Okay.
To our honorable guests, the school manager, and the parents and teachers and our fellow pupils, I would like to say good afternoon. Are you happy? Are you happy? Thanks. I would want to take this opportunity to welcome you for our presentation. I will be with my fellow classmate known as Adrian, and my name is Suzuki. We'll be making a presentation based on the anatomy and the physiology of the nervous system. We'll start by defining the following: the anatomy and the physiology. The anatomy is the study of structures and arrangement of the body of a living organism. While the anatomy is the branch of biology, the physiology, is the branch of biology that deals with the function of the specific parts of the body of a living organism. I will be handling in the nervous system. There are two main terms, that the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And the nervous system itself is a complex system that involves the brain, the spinal cord, and nerves working together. The nervous system is divided into two major parts: the central nervous system that consists of the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system that consists of the nerves. I will be handling the central nervous system, where my friend will be handling the peripheral nervous system.
At Sky School, we are taught to understand and apply what we have learned in class. Apart from passing exams, we have built passion and compassion to be neurosurgeons and chase our careers wisely. Dear guests of honor, our school has the capacity to nurture and prepare the best brains that will be of good help to Tanzanians. Thank you. You are welcome.
For I say I'll be handling the central nervous system. Welcome. The central nervous system is among the systems which are important in our bodies. The central nervous system consists of two main parts that are known as the brain and the spinal cord. I will start with the brain. Let's go. The brain. The brain is the most complex system and the most important system in the central nervous system as well as in our bodies. The brain is also majorly categorized into three parts: the cerebellum, the cerebellum, and the medulla oblongata. And also the names of these three brains are called the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. We shall see what are the functions of these three parts of the brain as well as the spinal cord. Let's go. The brain, as I said, there are three parts. That is the cerebellum, the cerebellum, and the medulla oblongata. I will start with the cerebellum. Cerebellum is the largest part of the brain, and it is folded in order to increase its size. The cerebellum is divided into two major hemispheres, the left and the right. And it is observed and also it is proved that the right part of the cerebellum controls the left part of our body, while the left part of the cerebellum controls the right part of our body. So if you have an eye problem and you go to the optician, we not go straight to the part which has a problem, but we will go there at the vice versa. Even also the cerebellum coordinates different activities like learning, deciding, and remembering. So if you have the problem in deciding, the problem is the cerebellum. We are going to the cerebellum. Cerebellum is also known as the midbrain. The cerebellum, it is found below of our ears, right here. The cerebellum, the main function of the cerebellum, it is to coordinate the all body movements. When I say the all body movement, I mean the movement that involve the muscles and the bones. But also the cerebellum coordinates all associated with the part of the ear known as the semicircular canal. These ones. The semicircular canals are dealing in maintaining the body balance. So if you are drinking something, you are affecting your semicircular canal. Amen. We are going to the last part of the brain, known as the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata, the main function of the medulla oblongata, it is to coordinate the all involuntary action. When I say involuntary action, are action which you cannot do them willingly. You must do them. For example, vasodilation, sneezing, vasoconstriction. When I say the vasodilation, it is the expansion of the blood vessel, and vasoconstriction is the contraction of the blood vessels. So the all involuntary action are being controlled by the medulla oblongata. I'm going to the last part of the central nervous system, the spinal cord. I will talk little on it. The spinal cord, it is the hollow space of the vertebral column. The spinal cord, it is found between the interlocking bones known as the vertebral column. In each spine, there's also the vertebral column, and the function of the vertebral column, it is to protect the spinal cord from any mechanical injury, for since it is soft and delicate. The spinal cord consists of the two main nerves, the motor nerve and the sensory nerve, that takes the information from the spinal cord to the other body parts in order to provide the correct impulse. So the spinal cord is among the main, like I say, it has like a bridge between the upper body parts and the lower body parts. I would like to say thank you for giving me a time to listen to me. Thanks.
As I say that I'll be handling the peripheral nervous system, I will start with the term known as the peripheral nervous system. The term peripheral nervous system. This peripheral nervous system is the part of the nervous system which consists of the nerves which lie outside the body, the central nervous system. As you can see here, they lie out of the central nervous system, which consists of the spinal cord and the brain. These nerves collect information from the surroundings and brings them back to the brain. The brain receives the information like pain, thirst, hunger, or someone needs to go for a bathroom break. So, for an example, if you cut yourself with a knife, you will feel the pain in just milliseconds. This is because of the nerves. These nerves can transport the information in milliseconds. After saying the term of the peripheral nervous system, I will go to the nerve structure. This nerve structure consists of the nucleus, the cytoplasm, the dendrite, the axon, the myelin sheath, and the axon terminal. I'll start with their functions. This function of the nucleus is to coordinate all the activities which are done in this specific nerve cell. The function of the cytoplasm. This is the part of the nerve cell which controls only the chemical activities done by this nerve cell. I'll go to the axon. Axon is the part which unites the cell body and the organ of the responsible nerve. The function of the myelin sheath. This is the part which protects the axon. So it means without this myelin sheath, it means that our nerves won't send the information easily. I will finish up with the types of nerves. In the nervous system, we have only 3 types of nerves, which are the motor nerves, the sensory nerves, and the relay or intermediate nerves. I will start with their function. The motor nerves. These are the nerves which run from the brain back to the spinal cord that send the feedback about the interpretation given by the brain. The function of the sensory nerves. These are the nerves which take information from specific sense organs back to the brain for the interpretation. And the last one is the relay or intermediate nerve. The relay or intermediate nerve acts like a bridge between motor nerves and sensory nerves because it transports the information from the motor nerves to the sensory nerves. I would like to say thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening to us. I would like to ask for a question.